Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another weekend at Istanbul and this week was crazily busy for me. Lots of late night meetings, entertainment. So for today, I just want to have a change of pace and I decided to head out to this Camlica Hill to chill off for the day. Before I start my climb out, I came across this small eatery shop place. So I decided to let's grab some ice cream before I make my way up. There's a huge turkey flag up there, which truly make the whole vibe right now so unique. While having my ice cream, looking at the flat and the windy space is a very nice atmosphere to have. Camlica Hill is the highest point in Istanbul actually, with a lot of awesome vibe for full city view. You can have unblocked 360 degrees view like a massive map. Today weather is pretty gloomy though, not very sunny. The good news is there's no rain, just maybe a big grayish sky to affect my video image. But that's life, right? It's not always sunshine and rainbow. The wind up here is seriously no joke, as I mentioned before. The huge wind is constantly blowing. I have a funny thought of flying a kite here. With such strong wind available, it will definitely be the ultimate dream spot for the kite flyer ride. There's this massive turkey flag right here that was constantly being tugged by the wind, and watching it flew makes my heart really worried that it might just break off any moment. This Turkish flag is the third highest pole right now standing with over 110 meters tall, and around the flag is all this marvelous view. Seriously, every angle keeps me going to want to shoot them into my video. If you keep viewing at the view, slowly rotating, you will see that every place slowly rotate from the Asia side to Europe side. Up to the top here is this big public area. There's cafes, this big cafe here, and there's also lots of other seats outside. There's a smaller cafe that's just beside down the road. You can get some Turkish tea, coffee, cakes or other small bites here. To be honest, I'm not in the mood to get those though, so maybe I will try it next time as I don't really see anything special about their coffee. The view was great, but it can be better with a sunny weather. So probably I will save it for the next visit. With such a sceneries, it definitely is a good spot for engagement or marriage photo shooting. So I definitely won't be surprised to see wedding shots being taken here. Look at this entire tunnel. Definitely perfect for wedding shooting purpose. Right, so I have sort of overstayed for the afternoon. I'm really hungry and it's time for dinner. Look at this whole pot of ingredients. This is called çiğ köfte, which is a spicy Turkish meal. It's made from fine wheat, grind and mixed with tomato, peppers, paste, and other plenty of herbs and spices, pepper. Normally, for local Turkish, they will eat it with a lettuce wrap, or they can use it with bread. It's a really healthy food and it's definitely vegan friendly. I call these vegan meatballs. So let's check out how the chef is preparing for çiğ köfte. Overall, the process is pretty simple as most of the food are raw vegetables. Not much cooking process is needed, so it's definitely a great choice for travelers, especially if you need a speedy food to be on the go. Right, our food is finally served. Let's dig in and try the taste. I will definitely start first with the paste, as it's the soul of the dish. And the taste is like sour, really sour, with a little bit of nutty and lightly spicy taste. It's definitely not a standalone dish. Next, I will start the wrapping process using some flatbread with the paste inside. Adding lettuce, a squeeze of lemon, some pickled ginger to finish out the wrap. It's time to dig in. And well, that's the end of today's content. Hopefully that you enjoy the scenes vibe, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.